Exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. So the very first question is question number 1. What is the question? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining of -1 7 and 4 -3. So A is say -1 7 -1 7, and B is say, what is B? B is say 4 -3, 4 -3, and the line segment joining, right? Suppose this is a line segment joining. This A vertex is -1 7 and B vertex is 4 -3. Okay, and the ratio is given 2:3. Suppose this point is P and the ratio is given 2:3 and the coordinate is XY. So here first write a small language. Let point PXY divides the line segment joining A -1 7 and B 4 -3 4 -3 4 -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, this is the question. So here what is your value of M? M is 2. So this is M, this is N, this is say X1, this is Y1, and this is X2, and this is Y2, right? Okay, so first write the section formula. Bisection formula. Okay, x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon sum of the ratio m plus n, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now put the value of m, n, x1, x2. So x is equals to, what is the value of m? This is 2. X2 is, what about x2? This is 4. 2 into 4. N is 3. What about x1? X1 is -1 divided by sum of the ratio 2 plus 3. So now simplify. 2 4s are 8 and -3 upon 5. So 2 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 upon 5, that is equals to 1. Now find the value of y. Okay, so y is equals to my2. M is 2. Y2 is -3 and plus n. N is 3 and y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So this is -6 plus 21 upon 5. So this will be equal to 15 upon 5, that is equals to 3. So therefore the point is, what is the point? 1 and 3. So this is the required answer of your question number 1, right? Now the second question is, question number 2 is, find the coordinates of the points of the trisection of the line segment joining 4 -1. Trisection means, what is the meaning of trisection? Trisection means 3 equal parts. Suppose this point is A and whose coordinate is given 4 -1, 4 -1, and B is the another point whose coordinates are given, say -2 and -3, -2 and -3. Okay, and now trisection. Suppose this point is P and this point is Q. Trisection means 3 equal parts. This AP is 1 part, PQ is second part, QB is 3 part. So total dividing into 3 parts. So what about the ratio of AP is to AB? This is 1 is to 2. And what about this Q? This will be 2 because AP 1 part, PQ 1 part, so 2 is to 1. So to find the coordinate of P, we will take M is equals to 1 and N is equals to 2 and apply the section formula. You will get the coordinate of P. So let the coordinate of P is say A and B. Okay, let the coordinate of P is A and B. So by section formula, first try to write the formula, because in the examination you will get at least half marks while of writing the formula. So by section formula, A is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and B is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, now put the value. So mx2 1 into x1 y1 x2 y2 1 into minus 2 and plus 2 into 4 upon sum of the ratio 1 plus 2, and B is equals to, this is m1 y2, so 1 into minus 3 plus n 2 into minus 1 upon sum of the ratio 1 plus 2, right? So it is minus 2 plus 8 upon 3, and this B is equals to minus 3 and minus 2 upon 3. So finally it is 6 by 3, that is equals to 2, and this is minus 5 by 3. So therefore the coordinate of P is 2 and minus 5 by 3, right? So this is the answer of P. Let me confirm from the exercise, that is right, 2 and minus 5 by 3. And similarly you will find the coordinate of Q, right? So let the coordinate of Q is say xy. So now can you apply? So similarly find, now I'm leaving for you, find coordinate of Q, right, by applying section formula. So here the m will be 2 and n will be 1, right, and x1 y1 and x2 y2 will remain same. So could you find? Okay, so now we are going to question number 3. So the third question is, this is the question number 3. The figure is given, and this type of question is also asked in the which question? That is, one is assertion reason and another one is case study. So this type of questions so many asked in the case study, right? So here to conduct the sports activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Okay, and 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So what about the total distance of AD? So the total distance of AD, that is equals to 100 meters. Why? Because 100 flower pots are placed at a distance of 1 meter each. So total distance is equals to 100 meters. Now Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. So distance covered by Niharika, that is 1/4 of distance AD 100, that is equals to 25 meter. Okay, 25 meter on the second line and post a green flag. So coordinate of Niharika stand for n. Okay, so coordinate of n on the second line, x-axis, second line at a distance of 25 meter means the coordinate of n is, we got second line. On the second line means x-axis second line and placed at a height of 20, at a distance of 25 meters, she posted her green flag. Okay, now distance covered by Preet is equals to 1/5 of the distance AD. So 1/5 of 100, that is equals to 20 meter, right? So coordinate of P, that is at which on the AD on the 8th line and post a red flag on the 8th line. So 8 and 20. This is the coordinate of P. Okay. So what is the distance between both the flags? So distance between both the flags, distance Pn, okay, is equals to, by applying the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square and plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 8 minus 2 whole square and plus 20 minus 25 whole square. So this is 8 minus 2 6 square 36 and 20 minus 25 minus 5 square 25, and finally it is 5 6 11 61. So root over 61 meter, this is the distance between the both the flags, okay. And what and then next is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining of the two flags, means Rashmi is, by applying the midpoint formula, by applying midpoint formula, coordinate of Rashmi for R I am taking. So R, coordinate of R is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, right? So now find the coordinate of R, x1 plus x2 by 2. So this point is 2 and this point is 8. So 8 plus or 2 plus 8 by 2 and 25 plus 20 by 2. So this is 10 by 2, that is 5, and this is 45 by 2. 45 by 2 means 22.5, right? It means, what does it mean? It means Rashmi post her flag on fifth line or fifth row at a distance of 22.5 meter, right? The question is this, कि if the Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, so where should she post her flag? So she must post her flag on the fifth line at a distance of 22.5 meter, right? Got it? Now the next question is question number 4. The next question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 10 and 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1 6. We have to find the ratio, right? So whenever the question is find the ratio, always take in place of mn 1 is to k is to 1, right? Why k is to 1 means, don't take 1 is to k, always take k is to 1. Why? If the value of k is suppose coming 2 by 3, then the ratio will remain same, because 2 by 3 upon 1 is equals to 2 by 3. If you will write 1 is to k, and generally what you are committing mistake, whatever the value of k is coming, you are writing this is the required ratio, because here is 1 is to k, so there should be reciprocal, right? So always take k is to 1, okay? Always take k is to 1 in this type of question. Don't take m is to n, otherwise the process will be complicated. So let, as per the question, find the ratio. So let the point P minus 1 6 divides the line segment joining joining, okay, I am taking the word from here from the question also, okay. Let the point minus 1 6, which the line segment joining the points minus 3 10 and 6 minus 8 in the ratio k is to 1, right? Always take k is to 1, right? So now draw a figure for your easy calculation. So here is the point P and coordinate is -1 or 6, and A is the point -3 and 10, and B is a point whose coordinate is 6 -8, and the ratio of k is to 1, right? So by applying the section formula, okay, by applying section formula, -1 is equals to mx2. Okay, mx2. So what is m is k and n is 1. So mx2, so k into 6 plus 1 into -3 upon sum of the ratio k plus 1. Okay, and now y, 6 is equals to k into -8 plus 1 into 10 upon sum of the ratio k plus 1, right? And now find the value of k. Either to solve this one or solve this one, you will get the same answer. No need to find both the results. Okay, no need to find both the results. So by the cross multiplication, -1 into k plus 1 is equals to, this is 6k and -3. So minus k and -1 is equals to 6k and -3. Do the like terms. So -1 plus 3 is equals to 6k and plus 1k. So 2 is equals to 7k. So k is equals to 2 by 7. So therefore the required ratio is 2:7, and this is the answer of your question. No need to find second one also, okay, because you will get the same result. Okay, it is wastage of time. So answer will remain same, but anyhow for your doubt I will cross check by finding this value. Okay, 2:7 is the correct answer anyhow. So I'm checking this for your okay, so you may convince that sir is telling right anyhow. So by cross multiplication, 6k plus 6 is equals to -8k and plus 10, and do the like terms. Here it will be 14k and this side will be 4. So the value of k is 4 by 14. So cancel out 2 by 7. So the ratio remain same. So my advice is only find the one side, one value. Okay, so in this way you will get the ratio. Now the next question is question number 5. The fifth question. Okay, the question number 5. And the question 5 says, find the ratio in which the line segment joining this divided by the x-axis. X-axis means the point is on x-axis. Okay, so let point Px, 0 is on x-axis. Okay, in x-axis. Is on x-axis. Point Px, 0 is on x-axis. Line segment joining A and this is x-axis. Divides line segment joining A. What is A? A is given 1 minus 5, 1 and minus 5, and B, what is B? Minus 4, 5. Okay, minus 4, 5 divided by the x-axis, and also find the coordinates of the point of division, right? So draw a figure, rough figure. In this way you can apply very easily. Let the point is P, this is x, 0, and A is 1 and minus 5. and B is minus 4 and 5, and the ratio is k is to 1. So what is the value of m? M is equals to k, n is equals to 1, x1 is 1, x2, y1 is minus 5, x2 is minus 4, and y2 is 5. So by section formula, by applying section formula, x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So here apply the formula value of m. M is k, x2 is minus 4, and n is 1, and x1 is 1 upon sum of the ratio k plus 1, and here the value of y, let the point p x-axis, so it will be 0. Okay, so 0 is equals to k into 5 plus mx2 plus my2 plus ny1, 1 into minus 5 upon sum of the ratio, that is k plus 1. Right, now see here the value of x we are not having here, the value y is given 0, so we will take this one. Okay, so by simplify this one, by cross multiplication, this side will be 0, so 5k is equals to 5k, 0 is equals to 5k and minus 5. Okay, 5k minus 5, so 5 is equals to 5k. So what will be the value of k? That is 1. So the required ratio is, what is the ratio? 1 is to 1. And now we have to find the point also. So put the value of k in this relation to get the point. So x is equals to, okay, x is equals to, the value of k is 1, so minus 4 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 2, so this is minus 3 by 2. So the point we got minus 3, 2 and 0. So this is the point and this is the ratio. Okay, clear? Now the sixth question is question number 6. And the question number 6 says, if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6, 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order. Taken in order means, suppose this is a parallelogram, right? So we will write all the vertices in the order, or in clockwise or in anti-clockwise, but it should be in order as per the direction of the question. So this point A is given 1, 2, okay, and the B is 4y, and the C is x6, okay, and the D is 3, 5. D is 3, 5. Okay, so now join the diagonals. So the diagonal AC and BD join. Join this diagonal. And as we know that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, it means that O is the common midpoint of the diagonal AC and as well as diagonal BD, right? So here we will write the reason first. Ki we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, okay, bisect each other. So O is midpoint of AC and BD, means O is the midpoint of AC and BD. It means midpoint of AC, it means midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. Okay, got it? And now apply the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So here it will be 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2 for the diagonal AC, and for the diagonal BD this will be 3 plus 4 by 2, okay, and 5 plus y by 2, Okay, and now equate the x coordinate of abscissa to abscissa and ordinate to ordinate. So 1 plus x by 1 plus x by 2, 1 plus x by 2, 1 plus x by 2 is equals to 7 by 2. So this and this will cancel. So the value of x is equals to 6. We got the value of x. And ordinate to ordinate. 2 plus 6 by 2 is equals to 5 plus y by 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel out. So 2 plus 6, 8 is equals to 5 plus y. So the value of y is equals to 3. So in this way, we will find the value of x and y. Right? Now the next question is question number 7. Okay, the seventh question is find the coordinates of the point A where AB is the diameter of circle whose center is given. AB is the diameter of circle. So try to understand with the help of figure that this AB is the diameter of circle. AB is the diameter of circle. Okay, and the coordinates of point A we have to find, and AB is the diameter of circle whose center is given. Center, suppose O, this is given 2 minus 3, and the coordinate of B is given 1 and 4, and let the coordinate of A is x and y, right? So from here, okay, so we will try to understand this question with the help of figure. Okay, AB is the diameter and O is the center of circle. So center is given 2 minus 3 and the coordinate of B is given 1 and 4, and let the coordinate of A is x and y. So how we will find? Now see, O is the midpoint of AB because this OA is the radius and OB is also radius. It means O is the midpoint of AB. So since O is midpoint of AB, right? So by applying the midpoint formula, by applying midpoint formula, midpoint formula, okay? So 2 is equals to x plus 1 by 2 and minus 3 is equals to 4 plus y by 2. Okay, now simplify. 2 to the 4 is equals to x plus 1. So the value of x is equals to 3, and here minus 6 is equals to 4 plus y. So the value of y is equals to minus and 10. So therefore the coordinate of A is xy. So that is equals to 3 and minus 10, and this is the required answer of question number 7. Okay. Now the question number 8. This is the very important question of your examination point of view. This is the very important question. If A and B are minus 2 and minus 2, say this A is minus 2 and minus 2 and B is 2 and minus 4, B is 2 and minus 4, this is 2 and minus 4, okay, and find the coordinates of P. We have to find the coordinate of P, okay, P, say xy, and it is given that AP is equals to 3 by 7 of AB. Okay, 3 by 7 of AB. So see, directly we can find K AP is 3 by 7 of AB, means the whole AB is 7. 7 AB is divided into 7 part, and now AP is given 3 part. So what about PB? That will be 4 part, means AP is to PB is equals to 3 is to 4. But anyhow, either you can write directly or find out how it will be. AP is to PB is equals to 3 by 4. Okay, so first we will simplify this one. AP upon AB is equals to 3 by 7. Now by just do the reciprocal. So AB upon AP is equals to 7 by 3, and subtract -1 on both the sides. AB upon AP minus 1 is equals to 7 by 3 minus 1. So AB minus AP upon AP is equals to 3 is the LCM. So 7 minus 3. So AB minus AP, that is equals to PB upon AP, and this is 4 by 3. So therefore AP upon PB is equals to 3 is by 4. So 3 is to 4 we have already calculated. It is depend upon you. If you understand that this is the complete part is 7 and this part is 3, so naturally this part will be 4, so the ratio will be 3 is to 4. So first we will find the ratio. Okay, and after getting the ratio, and now apply section formula. So by applying section formula, okay, by applying section formula, Kx is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, now put all the values. M is 3, and x2 is say 2, and n is 4, and x1 is mx2 and x1 is minus 2 upon sum of the ratio 3 plus 4, and now y is equals to my2, m is 3, and this is minus 4, and n is 4, and this is minus 2. Okay, minus 2 upon sum of the ratio 3 plus 4. So this is 6 minus 8 upon 7, and here y is equals to minus 12 and minus 8 upon 7. Okay, so this is minus 2 by 7, and y is equals to minus 20 by 7. So the required point is minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. Okay, and I think it should be the answer. Let it be confirmed. Okay, yes, minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. Okay, got it? Okay, now the next question is question number, which question? Question number 9. And the ninth question is, find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment this and this into 4 equal parts. Oh, 4 equal parts. So again, it is very interesting question. Suppose this point is A and this point is B, and now they are dividing into 4 equal parts. This is 1 part, 2 part, and 4 parts. Okay, this is first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. Okay, so A is given minus 2 and 2. This is given minus 2 and 2, and the B is given 2 and 8. B is 2 and 8. Let this point is P, this point is Q, and this point is say R. Okay, this point is say R. This point is say R. So it is divided into 4 equal parts. It means Q is the midpoint of AB. Am I right? And after getting the coordinate of Q, now P will be the midpoint of AQ, and R will be the midpoint of QB. So applying midpoint formula is too easy in comparison to Section formula. If you will find the ratio of PAP is to PB, then it will be 1 is to 3. Then Q will be 2 is to 2. Then this will be 3 is to 1. So it will be more difficult. So it means that it is divided into 4 equal parts. So first we will write since Q is midpoint of AB, and now apply the midpoint formula. So coordinate of Q by applying the midpoint formula, minus 2 plus 2 by 2 and 2 plus 8 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2. Okay, so this is minus 2 plus 2, 0 by 2, that is 0, and 2 plus 8, 10 by 2, that is 5. So we got the coordinate of Q, 0 and 5. Okay, and after getting the value of Q, now apply P is the midpoint of AQ. Okay, P is midpoint of AQ. So find the coordinate of P by applying the midpoint formula. So minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and 2 plus 5 by 2, right? So this is minus 2 plus 0 by 2 means minus 1, and this is 7 by 2. So this point we got minus 1 and 7 by 2. Okay, and now similarly find R is the midpoint of QB. So R is midpoint of QB. Okay, R is the midpoint of QB. So coordinate of R by applying the midpoint formula. So this is 0 plus 2 by 2 and 5 plus 8 by 2. So this is 0 plus 2 means 2 by 2, that is 1, and 13 by 2, right? So in this way we got all the 4 points. Okay, so if in the case of 4 points, apply the midpoint formula only, minus 1 7 by 2, 0 5 and 1 13 by 2, the answer is right. Okay, now the last question, I think question number 10 of your exercise. Find the area of the rhombus if the vertices are given. Area of rhombus we have to find and the vertices are given. Suppose the A vertex is 3 0 and B vertex is given 4 5 and C vertex is minus 1 4. Okay, minus 1 4, and D vertex is minus 2 and minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, taken in order, it must take the in our proper order. Okay, taken in order in the question, it is also mentioned. Now we have to find the area of rhombus. So area of rhombus is equals to half and product of their diagonal, 1 by 2 into product of their diagonals. It means by using the distance formula, first we will find the length of the diagonal AC and find the length of the diagonal BD. Okay, and then area of rhombus 1 by 2 D1 D2. Okay, so first find the diagonal AC, diagonal AC by applying distance formula. So 3 plus 1 whole square and 0 minus 4 whole square. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 square 16 minus 4 square 16. So 16 that is 32 means 4 root 2. This is the diagonal AC. And now find the diagonal BD by applying the distance formula, that is 4 plus 2 whole square, right, and 5 plus 1 whole square. So 4 plus 2 6, that is 36, and 5 plus not 2, sorry, that is 5.1, it is minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so 5 and plus 1, 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 square 36. So this will be 6 root 2. Okay. Now apply the formula. Area of rhombus is equals to area of rhombus is equals to 1 by 2 d1 d2, product of their diagonals. So 1 by 2, d1 is 4 root 2, d2 is 6 root 2. So we can cancel out. So 2 root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into 6. So finally it is 6 for the 24, 6 to the 12 to the 24, and we will write a square unit because unit is not mentioned. So we will write 24 square unit because it is the case of area, right? So okay students, so this is all about your coordinate geometry, and I hope you enjoyed in this section. So if you are satisfied or you have enjoyed in this section, please write in comment section. Your comment is more valuable for me. Okay. And if you still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this channel of the link to your friends so that they can also be benefited. Thank you very much.